fine. We can work around that.
We're good.
Okay.
So whose turn is it?
Good question.
You just drew
Christina
one.
Oh, no, I placed the last 8. I placed the last 8, so it's your turn.
It's my turn.
Yep.
Okay.
The winning person.
The winning person. I like how you say that.
Mark my words. She's won like every fucking game of this.
Yep.
Not that one.
Well, no,
How about this one?
How about
Double 9s. Knew it!
this one?
There it is. Come over here.
Nope.
Yeah.
Is there any left in here?
Yeah, there's a couple.
Oh my God!
That's a
Please,
handful.
please be left.
No. Don't draw one. Make him draw. Oh, you have a backup.
Well, they're all
Right.
in here.
Fine. Yeah, all the 9s are in here.
2 left.
You.
Me.
Whatever you want
Let me
to do.
see. I'll do another chicken foot of 5s.
I'm gonna do it over here.
Oh yes.
Oh, fuck. I used that last time. Like, where's
Damn
my
it,
5?
Janet.
Nope.
One left.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay.
Alright.
There's one left in the bag?
You.
There's one left in the
Me.
bag. Yeah, whatever you want. No, there's 2 left.
Wait, what happened to it? Where did
It's
it go?
done.
Where did
What?
it go?
What?
Over
Where'd
there.
what
We
go?
moved it over there.
Oh,
What
no.
number? We got 2,
I missed it.
4, 5, 6, 8,
I'll go
7.
8.
Alright, fine.
Chicken foot on
On
6.
6.
Wow.
I can do that.
Really?
You need a bag.
Is it the last one?
2.
Oh, there
Oh no.
One for you, one
No.
for me.
One there.
Nope.
Yeah, I placed my 6. 6?
Nope.
He's got a 6. 6. Leticia, now's your time.
Me.
I mean, that's a good piece to get rid of.
That's the one I just got.
Just give me a chance.
But,
Just a chance.
but I don't ever get to take a turn.
Okay, take a turn.
2s.
Seriously?
You don't have to draw.
That's well, there's nothing left to draw.
That's what I'm saying. You get to go again. I'm placing my 2. What about double 1s?
Really?
I mean, the
Can't play.
entire bag is empty. Why are you surprised?
He's
Okay.
dictating what people get to
So-
play, so
That's
it is
right.
smart.
0, 1, 2. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that.
Yep. Be careful what you
one's
play.
That.
And what you wish for.
I will place this.
Okay, 7s.
Double 7s. In. Deux.
Nope.
Trois. Are you kidding me? You're down to 1?
Oh my god.
Yeah, you stay under there. You stay under there.
Oh my god.
Every time you notice,
Chicken foot on
I'm just
4.
gonna go under.
I swear to God, Matt, if you have 4, I'm gonna.
No.
Sorry.
No.
Okay, you get to go again. Who's got the double 3? You have the double 3s, don't you?
Okay.
I gotta just go big.
Go big, go home.
Go home. I am home.
It's over there.
That's over here.
Yeah. Double 3.
I knew you had the double 3s. I'm sitting there with the 3s. I'm like, fine. Oh, I should have played this. There's your timer.
Perfect.
21.
20.
And that was chicken foot 2.